Hello, my name is Shankar Reddy, and here are my partners.
Pranav Praharan,
Lohit Pandurangan,
Jignesh Vasumarthy.
We are from Edison High School, Edison, New Jersey, in the United States.
According to 2024 data from the National Institutes of Health, over 400 workers die annually from high voltage contact in the US alone. These workers aren't simply amateurs, but workers with years of experience. Current safety gear only protects after contact is made with high voltage. Even then, it doesn't ensure protection as insulation could fail or moisture produced from your body can reduce resistance. Workers are essentially going in blind in these high voltage situations, costing them their lives.
Introducing VoltGuard, a dual sensor wearable that uses capacitive and Hall effect technology to measure electric and magnetic fields, predicting high voltage exposure before contact occurs. By 2026 standards, it is the only wearable that calculates real-time risk. Following IEC 60479-1, our device predicts when a potential shock reaches 30 milliamperes, which is the point when the heart stops, and alerts the worker through high-intensity haptic vibration before they ever touch a live surface.
The red ocean of the $15.4 billion industrial safety market is currently being dominated by PPE manufacturers and voltage tester brands like Fluke or Klein. They offer high physical protection but zero predictive awareness. Their tools are inefficiently beeping near any electricity, causing wearers to be desensitized to these safety alerts. Because these devices can't distinguish between immediate danger and normal electricity, workers eventually ignore them or turn them off. This can lead to potential injuries caused by high voltages.
Moving on to a three-tier framework of our market, our current market focuses on grid and high voltage workers, which include transmission lines, as well as prior users of existing voltage detectors like VWatch or Proxy. Our Tier 1 soon-to-be non-customers include petrochemical workers as well as individuals who are exposed to high voltage risk without dedicated wearable detection. Our Tier 2 refusing non-customers include contractors who own clip-on detectors but rarely turn them on due to habit or lack of trust in device. And our far-out, unexplored Tier 3 customers include first responders and individuals who face grid adjacent risks but don't think of themselves as electrical workers.
We eliminate alarm fatigue, which is when a person becomes desensitized to the warnings from traditional voltage sensors. We raise responsiveness to high voltages as we use haptic vibrations instead of just sound, which increases the chances of them being alert in these high voltage situations. We reduce physical stress on the body, as unlike these bulky handheld sensors or these bulky clip-on sensors that are usually attached to hard hats, ours is relatively lightweight and small. We create a new category for electrical risk detecting.
After countless refinements of the product, we constructed a prototype of our innovative watch. Following ergonomic principles and efficient spatial design, the prototype is represented through a high-fidelity 3D CAD model and a functional circuit logic diagram integrating capacitive and Hall effect sensing. As a result, VoltGuard is engineered with precision and prepared for consumer purchase. Speaking of consumers, our watch is projected to successfully penetrate the target market. After surveying a significant portion of our intended audience, transmission line workers in Middlesex County, through Google Forms, we observed approximately 85% interest in the product. In practical terms, if we had a supply of 100 watches, an estimated 85 units would be purchased by our target consumers. Based on these projections, we anticipate a 233% return on investment. Although this projection has yet to be realized, we are supported by a company investor who has committed $5,000 in funding. With this capital, we aim to scale strategically and establish a dominant position within our market.
VoltGuard is a blue ocean business because it creates a new category instead of competing with traditional voltage testers. This differentiation moves us out of the industrial safety market and into uncontested markets. We achieve both high value and low cost by using affordable sensors combined with smart software rather than expensive hardware. By eliminating alarm fatigue and simplifying risk assessment, we provide a clearer and more effective safety solution. VoltGuard will succeed because it addresses a life-threatening problem with adaptable technology and strong market interest.
VoltGuard. Don't just detect voltage, predict the risk.